Hey friends, Chris here with GCM at Home, and today we're going to be hitting the track as I show you how to build your very own race car. Let's get started. To do this, we're going to need a few things. We're going to need some sticks. They could be ones you find outside in your yard or things you find around the house. So I'm going to be using some chopsticks. You're also going to need 2 straws, some rubber bands, glue, 4 bottle caps or CDs, and some scissors. For our first step, we are going to need our sticks, our glue, and our scissors. Start with 2 sticks. Spread them out so that 3 fingers fit between them. With your other sticks, put one on the very top and one on the very bottom. We're going to glue these sticks. Once you've got it all glued, you will now have the frame for your car. For your next step, you might need your grown-up's help. With the scissors, you're going to cut here, 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 and here. For our next step, we're going to need our 2 straws. Glue a straw on the very back of the car and the very front of the car. Once you have your straws glued on, with your scissors, you are going to cut the extra pieces. Cut here, 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 and here. For the next step, you're going to need 2 sticks. Find 2 sticks that could go through the straw and still let you spin the stick. Only put in the stick for your front wheels right now. Next, we have to cut the middle section from this straw out. Now that we've cut the center out of the straw, we're gonna go ahead and take our stick and slide it all the way through, leaving some extra space sticking out on both sides. Now for our wheels. You're gonna need some help from a grown-up as you put holes in the middle of every single cap. Now that we have the holes in our wheels, we're gonna go ahead and put them on at each corner attached to our sticks. Make sure to add a dab of glue. Now that we have our wheels installed, we're gonna put our car to the side and bring in our rubber bands. As we start building the engine, start out with 2 rubber bands. Lay one on top of the other. Take the inside circle sides of the rubber bands and pull to make a knot. Do this until you have 3 rubber bands tied together. Now that we've done that, it's time to bring in our car. Take the rubber bands and wrap around the back wheels, pulling it through the other rubber band, making it nice and tight. You may need your grown-up's help. Take the other end of the rubber band and tie a knot around this axle. And there we have it. Your rubber band car is now ready to hit the track. To make it go, wind up the rubber band, creating tension. That tension is known as torque. Torque is a turning power. If your wheels are too skinny, all the power from the rubber band are going to make the wheels spin very fast, and the car won't move until the wheels grab some grip. That's a lot like a race car driving on the sand. Let's get a closer look at what's going on with those tires. If this is happening with your car, try winding up the rubber bands less, or add some wider tires. I hope you had fun today. This is Chris with GCM at Home, signing off.